The quarrelsome and unrepentant former President Donald Trump denied sexually abusing columnist Ms Carroll when questioned by his lawyer, repeatedly referring his use of derogatory terms and threatening to counter-sue, according excerpts from the 5.5-hour testimony in October. Open Friday. Portions of the transcript were released after a federal judge denied a request to keep the documents sealed. Judge Lewis Kaplan intends to unseal more citations in the near future. According to the transcript, Trump said, "He told him I did something that never happened. Nothing happened. I don't know anything about this nutty business." The excerpts reveal a contentious fight between Trump and Carroll's attorney, Roberta Kaplan. "Awful book. I'm going to sue him after this is over. And that's what I'm looking forward to doing. I'm going to sue you, too," he told Kaplan. Ms Carroll in the New York State Supreme Court on March 4, 2020. Alec Tabak, New York Daily News, Tribune News Service, via the release of excerpts from the testimony, came on the same day that unrelated Judge Kaplan also rejected a request by Trump's lawyers to dismiss 2 lawsuits filed by Carroll for libel and rape. "We are not surprised but pleased that Judge Kaplan rejected Donald Trump's motion to reject and uphold the constitutionality of the New York Adult Survivors Act. We look forward to the hearing in April," said Roberta Kaplan. Trump has repeatedly said that encountering Carroll in a luxury Manhattan department store in the mid-1990s never happened. In his testimony, Trump repeatedly attacked Carroll's portrayal of himself as a rapist shortly after Carroll's 2019 book was published. Trump said he knew it was not politically correct to say, "He's not my type," when responding to the allegations. The author claimed she was attacked by Trump in dressing room after a chance meeting at the store, and agreed to help her choose underwear for friends. "But I'll say it anyway," he said. "She accuses me of rape. A woman I don't know who she is. She just popped up. She accuses me of raping her. The worst thing you can do. The worst accusation." Talking to his lawyer, he added, "You know that is not true. You are also a political agency. You are a disgrace. But he accuses me and you of rape. And that never happened." At one point in the statement, Trump described Carroll as sick, mentally ill. He mischaracterized an interview Carroll gave on CNN, claiming he was falsely talking about enjoying being sexually assaulted. Actually, he stated that he loved her. "Okay. He loved it until the commercial break," Trump said. "Actually, I think he said he was sexy. Didn't he? He said it was very sexy to be raped. Didn't he say that?" Carroll's lawyer, Kaplan, later tried to get Trump out of raping his client. "Sir, I just want to confirm your statement that Ms Carroll said he enjoyed being sexually assaulted by you?" Trump replied, based on his interview with Anderson Cooper, "I believe that's what happened. And we can define it. I think he said rape was sexy, which by the way is not what Carroll said in her post and in her interview with Cooper is that she doesn't like to use the word rape because some other people find rape sexy. He said he preferred the term fight." At another point in the deposition, Kaplan asked Trump if he had touched a woman's breast, buttocks, or any other sexual part without her consent. "Well, I'll tell you no, but there may be some people who lie like your client," he replied. Late Friday, Trump's attorney, Alina Habba, issued a statement and said, "While it is completely unnecessary open a report that both parties have previously agreed remain confidential. Our client has nothing hide and is looking forward solving this worthless case." Waiting. Roberta Kaplan declined to comment on the publication of the statement excerpts. Manhattan Judge Kaplan earlier on Friday upheld the lawsuits for allegations of rape and defamation, and for indefinite compensation by Carroll, saying they could continue with the court because Trump's defiance was unjustified. Mr. Trump's denial of Ms. Carroll's allegations does not come under analysis at this stage of the case, the lawyer wrote. If the complaint goes against the current resolution, what actually happened should await further proceedings. While we are disappointed with the court's decision, we plan to appeal immediately and continue to defend our clients' constitutionally protected rights, Habba said in a statement. In her ruling, Judge said the Survivors Act is similar to Child Victims Act, another New York state law that temporarily allows victims of childhood sexual assault to sue their abusers years later. Carroll initially sued Trump for defamation after mocking allegations that he sexually assaulted her. Carroll filed a lawsuit against Trump for alleged rape at the time the Adult Survivors Act came into effect in November.